Valentine is coming. Where is your boyfriend?
So it's that time of the year, February 14th, or better known as Valentine's Day. It's the day in the year where everybody shows love to someone they care about, and that is from your mother, your father, your best friend, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your husband, your wife, or even people you're in situationships with. And is that every burning question every year everybody asks themselves, what can I get someone for Valentine's Day? So that's where I come in. Just think of me as Santa Claus, but for Valentine's Day, and I come bearing gifts. So my friends at Oraimo have 3 gift bundles for Valentine's Day, and they were kind enough to send them over to me so I can show you guys. And I must say, it's pretty dope. So first in line, we have the Quickie Bundle. Second in line, we have the My Crush Bundle. And third, we have the Valentine Bundle. So these 3 bundles caters to everybody, and I mean everybody. It just depends on what you're looking for. And before I forget, all of these packages, every product in these bundles have 1-year warranty. So you're covered if anything happens to it whatsoever. Okay, let's start with the Quickie Bundle. Inside, we have the Oraimo Ultra Slim Power Bank and the Oraimo Canon Pro Fast Charger. So I see this bundle as a starter kit. If you or someone you care about are always on the move, this may be the right gift. And the best part, it's only 7,000 Naira. The Canon Pro is a staple in the Oraimo lineup, and having a compact design that allows for easy portability is very ideal. It can be used at home and easily carried to work, and on top of that, it is an 18-watt fast charger, so this cuts your charging time down to a considerable amount. It's a great feature if you need to get a decent percentage of battery on your smartphone. Speaking of companions, the Ultra Slim Power Bank is a must-have. It has 10,000 mAh of battery stored inside it, so it's pretty huge. To put it in perspective, the battery life of the Pixel 5 and the iPhone 12 combined are 8,895 mAh of battery, so you can charge your devices multiple times on a single charge. With its dual USB port, you can charge also 2 devices at the same time without compromising charging speed. It's pretty big, so they added a 3D texture to prevent dirt, smudges, or fingerprints. Now, if you're a single Pringle and you really don't have anybody you want to get this for, you can just get it for yourself. I mean, nobody's going to love us the way we're going to love ourselves, right? Okay, this is the bundle to get for somebody you care about, especially when you don't want to break your wallet, or you really just want to get this for yourself, and that is also fine. The My Crush Bundle has the Ultra Slim Power Bank like I talked about in the last one, the Oraimo Sports wireless earphones, and the 2A fast charging charger kits. Now for 10,900 Naira, this is a pretty sweet deal. The Oraimo Sports wireless earphones is one of the best in the Oraimo lineup. It has this nice feel when you put them in your ear, and even after a couple of hours, it does not feel like a burden. It's pretty lightweight and can be placed around your neck, so it will be difficult to be misplaced or even stolen. It has Bluetooth 5.0 for easy connectivity to both iPhones and Android devices, and the sound quality is pretty good. It's loud enough and the bass balances out without it being overwhelming. So if you're like me and you enjoy counting how many instruments are in a song, you're definitely going to love this. The battery life on this is pretty good. It gives you 180 hours of standby time on a single charge, so that gives you 5 to 7 days, give or take, till your next charge. You also get 7 hours of music and talk time, which makes this a great companion. Good things come in small packages, and that is exactly what a 2A fast charger does for me. It's pretty universal, so it should work with most smart devices that are out there in the world. It offers stable and efficient charging at home and basically where you're on the go. The color black is something I gravitate towards more because black is like the best color that is out there. And just like the Canon Pro, it has temperature control and is pretty efficient within its power management. The bundle also comes with the Ultra Slim Power Bank, so this is a great package altogether. You have the earphones that are always on the go, a charger if your battery gets slow due to the music you're listening to, and if that doesn't work out, you have the Ultra Slim Power Bank that gets the job done just as well. This is a pretty sweet deal. I mean, if you want to kill 3 birds with 1 stone, the My Crush Bundle is the right present for you and anyone you care about. So here we are, the creme de la creme of the 3 bundles. So basically you're buying this because you want to show out to your significant other. Now inside the Valentine Bundle has the Oraimo FreePods 2, the 2 Baba edition, which is a limited edition, and the Ultra Slim Power Bank. Now these 2 things combined cost 14,700 Naira. But let's talk about the FreePods 2 for a second. I reviewed this in October 2020 and I thought this was one of the better pair of earbuds I have used. Now fast forward to 2021 and I still use mine every day. I want to work out, I have them on. I want to take a walk, I also have them on. Taking calls or having meetings, it's already in my ear. The sound quality still holds its own till this day. The bass is pretty punchy and does not overpower the music you're listening to. You can clearly hear all the vocals as well as instruments in the background of your song. Using the FreePods 2 to go for a run was pretty satisfying because the way it's built, it doesn't really fall out of your ear no matter the body or head movement whatsoever. So the way my ear is built, nothing really stays in, so it's nice to have earbuds that is actually built properly and can fit in my ear every time. So here's a test for the second time to see if it actually falls out. See? Absolutely nothing. No matter your body or head movements, it will stay in your ear. So it's pretty cool to have. One of the coolest things about the FreePods 2 is that the voice controls are voiced by Two-Face himself. So that's cool to have. It's Bluetooth 5.0 for easy connectivity, and the battery life on this is pretty impressive. The earbuds themselves are 37 milliamp hours of battery, while the case is 500 milliamp hours. It has 82 hours of standby time, 3.5 hours of listening time, and 3 hours of talk time. The case can also charge the FreePods up to 6 times. That's enough to last you a day or two depending on your usage. But you can check out my review up there to just get the full picture of what the FreePods 2 is all about. Next within the Valentine bundle is the Ultra Slim Power Bank. Honestly, I love that power banks are included in each bundle. A lot of Nigerians are always on the move, so it's great to have a source of power whenever needed. We also can't always count on PHCN to give us power, so being able to charge devices when there's no light is a huge plus. Okay, I'm going to say this right now. This is personally my favorite bundle, and I think you're going to score great points with your significant other if you get this for them. Or this is just an idea. You can get it for yourself if you want to spoil yourself. I mean, not be everybody get a relationship at this time. Anyway, what bundle are you guys going to get? Is it the Quickie Bundle, the My Crush Bundle, or the Valentine Bundle? Comment below and let me know. Also, like this video if you like what you saw, and I have new content incoming from iPad content, headphones, and so many others. So please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you can get notified when I drop videos like this very, very soon. Thank you guys for watching. My name is KJOS, and I'll catch you guys in the next one where we talk all things tech.